insight-oriented, data-driven, analytically mature. We want our organization to be these things. But market studies continue to report that 60 to 70% of the efforts in data do not meet expectations. We get it wrong 60 to 70% of the time. With all the experiences and best practices, why do we continue to repeat the same errors? And it turns out that the 30 to 40% that do meet expectations often do so strictly by chance. I have seen the successes and the failures firsthand. An insight-oriented organization is one in which the use and the need for insights and information are driven by the people within the organization who use or benefit from the insights. Becoming one puts your organization in a position to meet these expectations, get the most out of the data, the value you expect, the return you want. We start with the definition of insight. If you look it up in a dictionary, it'll say something like deep understanding. So in the world of data, an insight is a deep understanding derived from data, not apparent at first glance, and obtained by working with data. An insight is a direct result of an analytic. An analytic is simply an algorithmic product from a systematic manipulation of data in an attempt to answer some business or research question. It may be advanced or basic, and may be data science, statistics, machine learning, big data, artificial intelligence, dashboards, or even reporting, or any other type of systematic data manipulation. Although the word tries very hard to differentiate among these terms, the methodologies and the specific techniques do not really matter from the business or research perspective. And what each of these means is entirely another discussion. They all serve the same purpose, and the only difference is in the specific techniques, which may or may not be appropriate for the problem at hand. I would even go as far to say that, for our immediate purpose, trying to differentiate among them adds little value and is a waste of time. And an analytic is developed with data as input, so it begins with data, from which an analytic is developed, and its interpretation leads us to insights. This is essentially an information supply chain in which information can take the form of data, analytics, or insights.